Hello guys, how are you? My name is Ajay Kumar Chaturvedi and my channel name is Vansika Super Class Edge. You can subscribe my channel. Uh, we will discuss on mensuration some question. There are some question of mensuration 2D, some 3D. Mixed question in this. The first question is, the parallel sides of a trapezium measure 12 cm and 20 cm. Calculate its area if the distance between the parallel lines is 15 cm. The font is very small, so then you can note down the question. I repeat, the parallel sides of a trapezium measure 12 cm and 20 cm. Calculate its area if the distance between parallel lines is 15 cm. We understand what is trapezium. This is trapezium. In trapezium, front sides are equal, parallel, and two sides are unparallel, right? Here are given trapezium measure, parallel side of trapezium measure. This is 12 and this is 20, right? Calculate its area if the distance between the parallel lines is 15. This is 15. Perpendicular or height or distance between the parallel lines is 15. Now we can find area of the trapezium. What is the formula of this? The formula of area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into distance between the parallel lines into sum of parallel lines. Okay, P1 plus P2. This is formula of area of trapezium, 1/2 into distance between parallel lines into sum of parallel lines, right? Now we put the data. 1/2 into distance. What is distance? 15, and parallel lines 12 plus 20. Okay. Now next step, 1/2 into 15 into 32. Okay. 15 into 16 is equal to 240 square centimeter. Okay, our answer is 240 square centimeter. Square is necessary. Okay, in area square is necessary, in volume is cube is necessary. This is the right unit of area. Square is necessary in area. Okay, now we go on second question. Find the area in square centimeter of a square whose sides are these. Two questions in it. The first is, find the area of square. Okay, what is square? Square is a part of quadrilateral. The first part. Square is a simple first part of quadrilateral. There square has same equal side. All sides are equal in square and internal angle are 90 degree. Okay, we have to find the area. Very easy formula. Side square, if side A, then area is A square. If side 2, area is 2 square. If side 3, area is 3 square. Okay, here side 2.6 centimeter area, then area 2.6 ka square of 2.6, then 2.6 into 2.6 is equal to 676. Square of 26, 676, 1 2. Here will be decimal. 6.76 square centimeter. Answer. Now in second, 1.2 decimeter, area will be 1.2, square of 1.2 is equal to 1.2 into 1.2, 144 decimal will be here, 1.44 square decimeter, right? Now we move on third question. Calculate the height of a cuboid which have a base area of 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. We have to find the height of a cuboid. We have to find the height of a cuboid. What is cuboid? Cuboid will be created from rectangle. This is one rectangle. We can make above it second rectangle. Okay, we meet corners point. This is cuboid. Okay, this base area 180 centimeter. Base, what is base? Base is equal to length into breadth. Base is equal to length into breadth, mean 180. Base area means length into breadth. Height, there will not be in the height in the area. There will not be height in the area. Okay, base mean length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to 180 given. Volume is 900. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, length into breadth is equal to 180, height unknown, volume is given 900. Okay, now h is equal to will be 900 upon 180. H is equal to 900 upon 180. 18 5 is 90. Height will be 5 centimeter. Okay, right? Now we go on fourth question. How much ice cream can be put into a cone with base radius 3.5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter? How much ice cream shape will be as a cone? Cone, what is cone? This is cone. This is cone. The cone has base as a circular. Okay, and above area base area circular, its area pi r square, and this is height and this is slant height. Okay, there are formulas. How much ice cream can be put? We have to find here volume. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. We will put value 1/3 pi is equal to 22/7. R is given 3.5 and height will be 12. Now we will calculate. We will find 154 cube centimeter. Okay, you can calculate. You will be find this. Next question. The area of a rhombus is 16 centimeter square and the length of one of its diagonal is 4 centimeter. Calculate the length of other the diagonal. What is rhombus? Look, rhombus will be like a square in little. Rhombus has 4 same equal side but not internal angle 90 degree. This is rhombus. Front side are equal. In rhombus, front side are parallel and all side are equal. Okay, now what will be area? Area will be product of area of rhombus will be product of diagonals upon 2. Okay, here area is given, left side we will 16, in place of area we will put 16 is equal to product of diagonals. Okay, first diagonal is 4 into, second is not given, if we suppose d2 upon 2. Okay, we will calculate 4 4 ja 16, cross multiply, d2 is equal to 4 into 2, second diagonal is 8 centimeter. Okay, we will look next question. The total surface area of a cube is 726 square centimeter. Find the length of its edge. The total surface area of a cube. What is cube? In last question we saw the how we can make cuboid. Like that we will make cube. How? We will make a square. Okay, after again we will make square. On that we will meet corners up, then we look the cube. Okay, then what is the area of cube? Surface area 6 into side square. This is the area of cube. A square will be area of a square. A square will be the area of a square, and 6 into a square will be the area of surface area of cube. Now we will put the value 6 into, no, surface area is given, we will 7 to 6 in left side. First of all we will write formula area, surface area. Okay, 6 into a square, left side we will put value of surface area is equal to 6 into a square. This will be upon 1 to 1. A square is equal to 1 to 1. Then a is equal to will be under root 1 to 1. A is equal to 11 centimeter, right? Now we will look next question. Two cubes of edge 6 centimeter are joined to form a cuboid. Find the total surface area of the cuboid. Now we will make the cuboid touching, we will make cube touching each other. Like that, length will be changed, but height and breadth will not be changed. Okay, will not change. Then length of cuboid will be L plus L, 2L. Okay, calculate the age of cube. 1 second. Two cubes of age 6 centimeter are joined. Okay, so new length will be 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth will be 6 and height will be 6. These will not be changed, but length will be changed, 6 plus 6. Okay, then now we have to calculate the total surface area of cuboid. We will write the formula of cuboid. Length is 12 and breadth 6, height 6. Formula, what is formula? 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, in bracket LB, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, total twice of total. We will put the values: length 12, breadth 6, height 6 into plus h6 into length 12. 72 plus 36 plus 72 will be total, and then we will twice of this, we will find 360 square centimeter. Okay, this will be answer. This will be total surface area of cuboid. Now second question, next question, calculate the age of cube if its volume is 1331 cube centimeter. This is cube. Okay, here volume is given. We will write the formula. Volume is equal to side cube. Okay, volume is given, we will put in place of it 1331 is equal to side cube. A is equal to will be cube root 1331. What will be out? 11. A is equal to 11. This is edge of cube. Okay, now next question, the radius of two cylinders of the same height are in the ratio 4:5, then find the ratio of their volumes. Two cylinder, what is cylinder? We will discuss cylinder. This is cylinder. Okay, this is cylinder. The cylinder has two base area, two circular base area. Okay, now we will look formula of this. The radius of two cylinder, this is radius, this is radius. Okay, this area pi r square, this area pi r square, this is height. Okay, now we will create first surface area. Its surface area will be 2 pi RH. Okay, its surface area will be 2 pi RH, and its total surface area 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. In the first area, circular base area are not included. Okay, in second formula, total surface area have base areas. Okay, now third formula, volume of cylinder pi r square h. Okay, if we will by 3, then this will be formula of volume of the cone. Okay, then volume of cylinder will be pi r square h. Now we will question, the radius of two cylinder of same height. Okay, we will suppose here two cylinder. The volume of first cylinder V1 is equal to pi r1 square h. H will not be h1 because same height, and V2 is equal to pi r2 square h. Okay, now we will divide equation first by equation 2. Pi will be cancel, h cancel. The radius of two cylinder are same. The radius of two cylinders of same height are. Okay, radius are given, ratio of radius are given, then find the ratio of their volume. Okay, radius ratio 4:5, 4:5 square is equal to 16 upon 25. 16:25 will be ratio of their volumes. Okay. Now next question. Find the volume of cone of radius r by 2 and height 2h. Find the volume of cone. What will be the formula of volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then what is saying the question? Find the volume of the cone of radius r by 2. We will put radius because radius change r by 2 square, height will be 2h. Now we calculate 1 by 3 pi r square upon 4 into 2h. 2 2 ja 4, 1 by 3 2 ja 6, 1 by 6 pi r square h will be volume of the cone. Okay. Next question. Find the length of the longest pole that can be put in a room of dimension 10 10 5. Here is given longest pole. Here is given a room. Its dimension are 10 meter, 10 meter and 5 meter. Length 10 meter, breadth 10 meter, height 5 meter. Okay. This will be asking me the longest pole. The longest pole will be the diagonal of the room. We will create the diagonal. That will be my answer. What is the formula of diagonal of the cuboid? Because room will be like cuboid. Cuboid is equal to L square under root L square plus B square plus H square. We will put value and calculate. That will be my answer. Length 10 square, breadth 10 square, height 5 square, 100 plus 100 plus 25 is equal to under root 2 to 5 is equal to 15 meter. Okay. The length of the longest pole will be 15 meter. Okay. Now today's session was finished. We will discuss on next questions tomorrow. Thank you.